Comparison between magnetic and electric circuits. Here we can see this is a magnetic circuit. This is a iron core with relative permeability mu r, on which the conductor is wound with n number of turns. The current flowing through this conductor is capital I. The length of this magnetic circuit is L. The flux flowing through this magnetic circuit is phi. This is a area of cross section A. And in electric circuit, R is the resistance, which is equal to rho L by A, where rho is the resistivity, L is the length, and A is the area. I is the current flowing through this resistor. E is the voltage or EMF. This is a battery. So this is called magnetic circuit and this is called electric circuit. In magnetic circuit, the closed path for magnetic flux is called magnetic circuit. And in electric circuit, the closed path for electric current is called electric circuit. In magnetic circuit, flux is equal to MMF upon reluctance. And in electric circuit, current is equal to EMF upon resistance. This is like a Ohm's law for electric circuit and this is like a Ohm's law for magnetic circuit. In magnetic circuit, flux phi in Weber and in electric circuit, current I in ampere. Because this flux resembles current. And in magnetic circuit, MMF in ampere turn. And in electric circuit, EMF in volts, because this MMF and EMF resembles. In magnetic circuit, reluctance is denoted by capital S, which is equal to L upon A mu 0 mu r, where L is the length, A is the area, mu 0 is the permeability of air or vacuum, and mu r is the relative permeability. Its unit is ampere turn per Weber. In electric circuit, resistance is equal to rho L by A, where rho is the resistivity, L is the length, A is the area. Its unit is ohm. Reluctance and resistance both resembles. In magnetic circuit, permeance is equal to 1 upon reluctance. And in electric circuit, conductance is equal to 1 upon resistance. In magnetic circuit, permeability is denoted by mu, and in electric circuit, conductivity is denoted by sigma, which is equal to 1 upon rho. In magnetic circuit, reluctivity, and in electric circuit, resistivity is there. They both resembles. In magnetic circuit, flux density is represented by B, which is equal to phi by A. Its unit is Weber per meter square or Tesla. And in electric circuit, current density is denoted by J. It is equal to I upon A, ampere per meter square. In magnetic circuit, magnetic intensity is denoted by capital H is equal to Ni by L. And in electric circuit, electric intensity is denoted by E is equal to V by D, where V is the potential difference or voltage and D is the distance. So this is about the comparison between magnetic and electric circuits and their similarities.